Seniors, eat these 7 best foods to strengthen your weak legs after 60. As we age, many people begin to experience weakness in their legs. Simple activities such as walking up the stairs, standing for long periods, or even getting out of bed can feel exhausting. This is because muscle mass naturally declines after 30, and without the right nutrition and lifestyle habits, this process accelerates. However, there is good news. The foods you eat can make a significant difference in strengthening your muscles, improving mobility, and keeping your legs strong well into your later years. If you want to continue enjoying an active and independent lifestyle, your diet needs to include essential nutrients that promote muscle health, bone strength, and circulation. Below are 7 of the best foods that can help seniors rebuild leg strength, prevent muscle loss, and improve overall mobility. One, salmon, a powerful source of muscle-building nutrients. Salmon is one of the best sources of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which play a crucial role in muscle repair and inflammation reduction. Many seniors suffer from joint pain and stiffness, which can make movement difficult. The omega-3s in salmon help combat inflammation, improving flexibility and reducing discomfort in the legs. Additionally, salmon is rich in vitamin D, which supports bone health and reduces the risk of fractures, a common concern for older adults. To get the most benefits, aim to eat salmon at least twice a week. Grilled, baked, or poached salmon can be included in salads, served with steamed vegetables, or even used in sandwiches for a healthy meal that promotes leg strength. 2. Spinach, the green superfood for stronger legs. Spinach is packed with iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which play vital roles in maintaining strong muscles and bones. Magnesium is particularly important for muscle function, as it helps prevent cramps and improves blood circulation to the legs. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen to muscles, ensuring they function properly and do not fatigue quickly. Adding spinach to your diet is easy. It can be enjoyed raw in salads, blended into smoothies, sautéed with garlic as a side dish, or added to soups and omelets. Leafy greens like spinach provide the essential minerals your body needs to keep your legs strong and stable. Three, eggs, the ideal breakfast for muscle repair. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein available, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and repair. They are also rich in vitamin B12, a nutrient that plays a key role in nerve function and muscle coordination. Many older adults experience weakness in their legs due to nerve degeneration, and consuming enough B12 can help mitigate this issue. Starting your day with 1 or 2 eggs can provide the necessary nutrients to maintain muscle strength. Whether they are scrambled, boiled, or made into an omelet, eggs are an easy and effective way to support leg health. 4. Greek yogurt, a calcium-rich food for bone and muscle health. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, protein, and probiotics. Calcium is essential for maintaining bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, which can lead to mobility issues. Protein aids in muscle repair, ensuring that any wear and tear from physical activity is quickly healed. Additionally, the probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, which indirectly impacts nutrient absorption and overall well-being. To incorporate Greek yogurt into your diet, consider having it as a snack with fruit, blending it into smoothies, or using it as a base for healthy dips. Choosing plain Greek yogurt over flavored varieties will help avoid added sugars that can contribute to inflammation. Five, sweet potatoes, a natural energy booster for weak legs. Many seniors struggle with fatigue and low energy levels, making it difficult to stay active. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. They are also packed with potassium, an essential mineral that prevents muscle cramps and supports proper muscle contractions. Vitamin A, found in high amounts in sweet potatoes, helps protect muscle tissues from oxidative stress and inflammation. Including sweet potatoes in your meals can be simple. They can be baked, mashed, or roasted as a side dish. For an extra boost of nutrients, pair them with a healthy protein source like chicken or fish. 6. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty superfoods for leg strength. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are rich in protein, healthy fats, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining muscle strength and preventing leg weakness. Magnesium, in particular, helps relax and strengthen muscles, reducing the risk of cramps and discomfort. A handful of nuts or a sprinkle of seeds on your meals can significantly contribute to your overall muscle health. They can be added to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, or enjoyed as a snack between meals. Opting for unsalted and raw varieties ensures you receive the maximum health benefits without added sodium or preservatives. Seven, lean chicken, a protein-packed essential for muscle maintenance. Protein is the most critical nutrient for maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass, and lean chicken is one of the best sources of high-quality protein. Chicken also contains essential minerals like iron and zinc, which support muscle recovery and immune function. Many seniors experience muscle deterioration due to inadequate protein intake, leading to reduced strength and mobility. Including grilled, baked, or stir-fried chicken in your meals can help preserve muscle mass and improve leg strength. To make meals even more nutritious, pair chicken with vegetables and whole grains for a well-balanced diet. Additional tips to keep your legs strong after 60. Beyond eating the right foods, there are several lifestyle habits that can help maintain and improve leg strength. Staying hydrated is crucial, as dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and weakness. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as walking, stretching, and light strength training, helps keep muscles active and prevents them from deteriorating. Ensuring adequate sleep is another important factor, as the body repairs and builds muscle while resting. It is also essential to limit the intake of processed foods and added sugars, which can lead to inflammation and contribute to muscle weakness over time. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support muscle and bone health. Final thoughts. A strong diet for stronger legs. Weak legs are not an inevitable part of aging. By making intentional dietary choices and incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals, you can rebuild strength, improve mobility, and maintain an active lifestyle. The 7 foods mentioned in this article provide essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals that directly support muscle function and overall leg health. Taking control of your diet today can lead to significant improvements in your ability to move, stay independent, and enjoy life without discomfort. Consistency is key, so make these foods a regular part of your routine and pair them with an active lifestyle for the best results. Medical disclaimer. The information in this article is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. If you have any underlying health conditions, dietary restrictions, or concerns about your muscle or bone health, consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Individual needs may vary, and a personalized approach to nutrition and fitness is always recommended.